Hi everyone. Today we are going to study again alphanumeric symbol series. This kind of questions are very common in different type of competitive exams, and these are actually not really tough, and if you practice at home regularly and if you give regular mock tests, then you can solve this type of questions very easily in your exam and within time. So let's just come to straight to the point and let's start. Here we have several numbers, 3 digits number are given like 428. Okay, just a minute. So we have given several numbers here. So numbers are 428, 548, 943, 297, 567, 459. And the question is, if the positions of the second and the third digits of each number are interchanged, what will be the difference between middle digits of the second lowest and the highest number? So first, we do as the question has asked. That is, we have to interchange the positions of the second and third digits of each number. So we have 428. So we interchange it and we write 4, 8, 2. Then we have 5, 8, 4. Then we have 9, 3, 4. Then we have 2, 7, 9. Then we have 5, 7, 6. Then we have 4, 9, 5. So now let's arrange these in ascending number, that is from small number to big one. Okay, so smallest is here, it's 279. Then we have 482. Then we have 495. Then we have 576. Then we have 584. Then we have 934. All right. So the question has asked that what will be the difference between the middle digits of the second lowest and the highest number. So here the second lowest is 482. This is the second lowest, and the highest number is 934. This is the highest. Okay. So the middle digit of 482 is obviously 8, and the middle digit of 934 is obviously 3. So difference between 8 minus 3 is equals to 5. So the correct answer will be C5. Okay. So we move to the next question. So it is said that what is the multiplication of all the digits of the resultant number formed by the sum of the smallest and second highest numbers. So again we have to arrange it as in ascending order. So let's start. So it's 2, 9, 7. We are arranging them in ascending order because we have to find the smallest and the second highest number. So 297 is the smallest, and then we have 428. Sorry, 428. Then we have 459. Then we have 548. Then we have 567, and then we have 943. Okay. So the sum of the smallest is here, it's 297, and the second highest number is 567. So if we do the sum of the smallest and the second highest, what do you find? 297 plus 567. It gives us 774, 16, 8. So if we multiply 8 into 6 into 4, what do you get? We get 192. So option B is the correct answer. Okay, so it is very easy, as you can see. Next we move to page 3. So it is analogy now. We have already done analogy in our earlier class. Now we start here. What is house is equal to rent and capital is what? So if we have a house, we can earn money by renting it out, right? So if we have capital, how can we earn money? We can earn money through interest. Okay, investment is not the correct answer, because if you have to have capital, investment is not the earning is interest. We invest the capital. Okay, country and money, these are not relevant. Money is not correct, interest is more appropriate. Okay, so the correct answer is interest. Next, cobbler, leather, weaver in what? So we know the cobbler works on the leather, right? Cobbler works on leather. Then what? Weaver works upon what? Jute? No. Fiber? No. Weaver works on cotton actually, not also thread. So cotton will be the correct answer. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please comment and do subscribe if you like the video.